morning, Amy at Waters Garden Center here to talk to you today about one of my favorite trees. This is called a Twisty Baby Locust. This is the Lace Lady variety right here. These are just some of the most amazing trees. So this is their habit, is to twist this way. They are not shaped like this. They look like a piece of art, and that's just the way they are. So wonderful things about them. They will get maybe 20 feet tall, and they could have a spread of 20 feet. That's kind of unusual because they do have these weird twisty kind of tiers to them. They are going to be dark green in the summer, and then they'll be gold in the fall. But the cool thing about them is even when they lose their leaves, they still look awesome. So I have a dear friend who has one of these in her yard, and every year she will put white lights on them over the winter, and they just look spectacular. Also, if the weather conditions are right, these will flower before they leaf out, and they will flower a beautiful white. I mean, they are just literally covered in white flowers. More like I was saying, an art piece or a centerpiece. These look amazing in a courtyard in the full sun. Again, Lace Lady, Twisty Baby Locust, one of my favorite trees. Come on into Waters and check them out. They're wonderful. And if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thank you.